How to change the password of your Windows 11 device hotspot. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change the password of the hotspot of your laptop or desktop computer which is currently running on Windows 11. So the first thing that you need to do is head on towards the settings of your Windows 11 PC. So to head on towards the settings, simply move your cursor towards the bottom of your screen, and once the taskbar appears, simply right click onto this start button. Once you will do this, you can see this option of settings. So simply click onto the settings option and it will lead you to the Windows 11 settings of your computer. Now here under the settings, you can see this option of network and internet. So simply click onto the network and internet option and you will be landed onto this particular page right here. So now here you can see the setting of mobile hotspot which says share your internet connection. So simply click onto this mobile hotspot option and from here you have this menu right here. From the first option you can enable or disable the mobile hotspot. Then there is the another option that says share my internet connection from, and from here you have the option of Wi-Fi currently. Then under the share over you also have the option of Wi-Fi right now, but in some cases it might also support other parameters, but in my case it is currently Wi-Fi. And then under the properties you can see these following options. In the first name it says name, so that is basically the Wi-Fi name, and then the second option is the password. So the 370mi1j5 is currently the password of my hotspot of my computer, and then there is the band that is any available. So that is basically either the 2.4 gigahertz or the 5 gigahertz band. And now if you wish to change the password, so what you need to do is simply click onto this edit button over the right hand corner, and once you will click onto the edit button you can either choose to have a new name for your hotspot network, and then on the next line you can change the network password. So for example, if I change it to, let's say, pass123, so this will be my new password. So in order to save this particular Wi-Fi password, I need to click onto this save button, but it says the password must have at least 8 characters. So let me add one more character right here. So now these are 8 characters, and if I click onto the save button, you can see that now the password has been successfully updated to pass1234. So that's how easily you can change the password of your Windows 11 device hotspot. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Tell us in the comments how it went for you. If this video was helpful, do comment. And if you also have any suggestions or questions to ask, do make sure to ask them in the comment section as well. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.